Welcome to Go Lesson 23. Today we will learn about working with JSON in Go. JSON is the most common data format for web APIs and configuration files. Go's encoding/JSON package makes it easy to work with JSON data. We will cover marshalling, unmarshalling, struct tags, and nested structures. Let us start by converting Go structs to JSON. We create a new file called json.Marshal.go. First, we import encoding/JSON and FMT packages. We define a person struct with name, age, email, and active fields. In main, we create a person instance with sample data. json.Marshal converts a Go value to JSON bytes. We check for errors and print the JSON string. json.MarshalIndent creates pretty printed JSON with indentation. The second argument is the prefix, the third is the indent string. Let us review the complete code. Running the program shows both compact and pretty JSON output. Now let us learn how to parse JSON into Go structs. We create json_unmarshal.go. We import encoding/JSON and FMT packages. The product struct defines the structure matching our JSON. Here we define a JSON string with product data. json.Unmarshal parses JSON bytes into a Go value. We pass a pointer to the struct so Unmarshal can modify it. After parsing, we access struct fields normally. We use the parsed data to calculate total inventory value. Let us review the complete code. The JSON was successfully converted to a Go struct. Struct tags let us control how fields are encoded to JSON. We create json_tags.go. After imports, we define a user struct with JSON tags. The JSON tag specifies the JSON key name for each field. Omitempty skips fields with 0 values. The dash excludes fields entirely. Here we create a user with all fields populated. This second user has some empty fields to demonstrate omitempty. We print explanations of the tag meanings. The print json helper function formats and displays the JSON. Let us review the complete code. Notice the password field is excluded, and empty fields are omitted. JSON often contains nested objects. Go handles this naturally. We create json_nested.go. We define an address struct with street, city, country, and zip code. The company struct embeds an address and has a slice of employees. When creating nested structures, we initialize the address in line. json.MarshalIndent handles nested structs automatically. For parsing, we define nested JSON with an embedded address object. Unmarshal passes the nested structure into our company type. We access nested fields using dot notation. Let us review the complete code. Both marshalling and unmarshalling preserve the nested structure. Let us recap what we learned today. json.Marshal converts Go values to JSON bytes. json.Unmarshal parses JSON into Go structs. Struct tags control field names and behavior with omitempty and dash. Nested structs map directly to nested JSON objects. Thanks for watching Go Lesson 23. In the next lesson, we will explore Go's powerful concurrency features with Go routines. Subscribe and click the bell to be notified.